Hello everyone. So kind of with the idea that we had last time, I have many of these little pieces and stuff that are actually really cute for a journal, but then I had some pieces with words and phrases like birthdays and home sweet home and for your sister and thank you for being you and just random ones for someone special, just these pieces. And I also had a few bigger pieces that just birthdays stuff, and so I'm like, okay, well, I need to still use these, so I decided to start remaking them into something else. So this one was with some scraps and this lovely little die cut that I had, and again, just random small pieces that I had that were really cute but wouldn't make any sense to have unless it was for something like this. So again, it's just to create with them pieces so then they will go along with the journal I'm making. And I have them to use. So let's work on some of these. Like this one. I really like this one, but I do not like the happy birthday in the middle. So I'm just want to see here quick if I have any words or something like that that might just be able to be slid right across it, and that would work perfectly. Start doing things you love. I think that works perfectly, but that still doesn't solve the problem of covering the to you part. So this is where I'm just going to take this little sheet here, and I think I'm just going to quickly take this here, and we want that right across there. And this down a little bit more here. Yeah. Okay. So now we have this cut down, and we can easily get this piece cut down even farther. Okay. Yeah. And then we can stick this down on to this piece here. And then I'm gonna just glue this piece right over top of that happy birthday to you. See, sometimes it's as easy of a fix as doing that. Just adding a little something to your piece over top of it. And it creates a little texture to it too. So we got that going. Now let's do a small piece. See, I'm finding with the smaller pieces, it's a little bit more difficult to do that, but it might not. Like, sometimes you can just take a simple, small piece. Like I have this itty bitty piece of paper here. That could just get stuck right in the middle of it. And then I can easily just add a simple word over top of it. So we got that one going. Now this one, let's just glue this whole piece on there. I know that seems strange. Why do that? Why not? It ain't gonna wreck anything. It's just covering up them words. Alright. Now, what to do next? No. You could easily grab a stamp or something like that, but I'm not thinking I want to use a stamp with that one. What do I want to use? Sometimes that's the problem, is you're like, oh, I want to, but I don't. So again, I have these many other words and that type of thing, but I did notice this one has this type of pink. It's an offer pink that's very different, so let's use this. Good vibes. This is what it says on here. There. This one says, spread kindness. Again, it just gives it a different look, but very simple, and gives us some added words too. So let's do some more of these. You know what? I have a bunch of these. I have one of these. Why don't we do that? And if you're wondering about these little fashion people from 1894, I actually used whatchamacallit. I bought a magazine that was from 1894, and so I kind of just use some of its pieces. So there we go. We got this little woman here on there now. I don't really want to use that. I do think I have that one piece that should be in here. Yes, I do. That work? No, it's too big. I don't really like that. Let's see what else we have here. There are these cute little clusters too that we could be using, but I don't think that will work for what we're doing right now. But I do think this would be cute there. Again, I'm just grabbing random stuff off of my shelves and kind of just using it. My random its and bits and pieces of embellishments. I think it's a good idea sometimes to just don't pay attention. Just grab and use as much as you can. So that just took place of that birthday surprise. We got some more of these lovely pieces. I'm just gonna see what all I have in my scraps here. There, grabbed a couple randoms, scraps here. But again, I'm just going with the flow. I'm not necessarily making sure everything is perfection here. Actually, now that I see this, that would be kind of cute right on there. That's what I'm going to do. So sometimes when you glue something and you decide, oh, I don't want that, but it's kind of too late to do anything about it, just glue something on top of it. It'll be fine. I think that makes it work for that one. I like that one on there. So I'm just picking out random pieces, and if they work, they work. If they don't, I move on to another piece. Like this one, it's just a little bit too small. Okay, let's dig some more and see if we find something that would work better. Like this one. That one you're barely going to be able to see the lines on it, so let's do that one. Again, it's just a way of rearranging it. Try making the pieces have more life. All right, now we have, if I can get it up, this big one. And I just pulled out something from my drawer. I really like her. That's what I'm going to stick on her. Again, I don't really have a rhyme or reason. I'm just grabbing random pieces and making them work. Because a lot of my embellishments lately that came out of the last few drawers, I haven't been using. I've kind of just kept them there and not used them lately, so if it means using them, why not? Let's see what else we have here. Some of these bags with random stuff in it. See if anything looks good for what we're doing. Not really. Okay. I think we could get something out of this piece. Any other pieces that... Nah. But... I know my phone's going off, but I don't have to rush to it. Again, I keep my little scraps. You guys know this. So there we go, we got another one. So we've made multiple now. I wanted to show you how I went about trying to create these to become other pieces, because again, yeah, I probably could have added some lace or something underneath these, but that's okay. We are just creating. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye!